Hi, I'm Lynette and welcome. Today I'm doing a look with the Beauty Bay Wilderness palette. It's a 30 pan eyeshadow palette with 7 shimmer metallic shades and 13 mattes. It's a palette that's perfect for fall with blues, reds, a few warm shades, and grungy greens. If you like makeup tutorials, hauls, swatches, and makeup product reviews, then please consider subscribing as I do all of that and more every Saturday. Everything I use on the eyes will be listed below, so let's get started. If you like this video, then please give it a like and consider subscribing. I want to thank you for joining me today. I hope to see you again next week. Until then, bye-bye.